Hi, thanks for watching. Today we are looking at the Reacher Adjustable Drain Pan by Garage Boss, which promises to eliminate the spills and messes. Stay tuned as we put it to the test. Next. So I picked this up from the local AutoZone for $24.99. It's available both in-store and online at AutoZone.com. What sets this apart from other oil drain pans is the catch basin with adjustable attachments, 3 inches and 5 inches, that can be added to it so that it can fit under your car, truck, or SUV at any height, whether you're using it at ground level or you're using jacks. Claims no messes, no spills, low profile car, a truck on the ground, also for a car on ramps or a jack, or even a truck on a ramp or a jack. And the capacity, it holds 12.5 quarts. Here's it unboxed here. You get the catch basin, the 5-inch piece, and the 3-inch piece along with the oil drain container. Also have a pressure release valve here and then the cap that you connect the drain basin to. So first things first here, they like to point out that they do have a filter here at the bottom that will catch your drain plug. I've shown a picture in the corner here of what that looks like. It's a nice feature so that you don't have to worry about catching that drain plug and getting your hand covered in oil. So what we're doing here is just attaching the 5-inch piece to the catch basin, and then once we get those connected, we can go ahead and grab that 3-inch piece here and connect it together. And once we get these two pieces on here, we're going to go ahead and unscrew that green cap on the basin here, and we'll go ahead and attach the unit and it will be fully assembled. Once you go ahead and connect this here, you will have this assembled at the maximum height, which is 8 inches. Again, you'll have to probably eyeball this and see what works under your vehicle. One important note here is I'm pointing out, make sure to open that drain valve. This will allow the oil to drain properly into the pan, and as I found out personally doing my second vehicle, it will definitely cause some gurgling and splashback if you do not open that valve, so please make sure to catch that before starting. Here we are, got it under the car here, got the car on ramps. I only needed the 5-inch lift when I did it with a ramp, so I disassembled it and took off the 3-inch piece, but it allowed me to get right up under the drain plug here and just loosen the bolt. And then once got it loosened, you just have to simply unscrew it by hand. And again, the nice feature here with that catch basin at the bottom of this oil drain filter is that you don't have to worry about catching this bolt. Simply let it fall here like it did, and it will be in the bottom there, and once the oil finishes draining, you can go ahead and grab that drain bolt and clean it up and put it back on. But that is one feature that will help keep this a little bit of a neater job. So go ahead and finish out the process here. As you can see, it's all staying in the top. Apologize for the light here coming in and out from the garage, but this definitely did keep all the oil in the pan here, and there you can see the bolt is right there at the top. Allows me to grab it out and clean it up and reinsert it before filling the car back with oil. Another nice feature that they have on this is the ability to put the oil filter in the top here and let it drain out. As we all know, the oil filter does always usually contain some excess oil. This allows you to set it in there so it's fully drained, and then remove it and dispose of it. So another nice feature with this funnel design that they have on the Garage Boss model here. And again, the cleanup is much less. Simply clean the top here, disconnect it, and then go ahead and clean out the inside of those connecting pieces here. Whatever you use, in this case I've got just the one 5-inch piece here that I use to get underneath the vehicles that are on the ramp. So disconnect that and clean out each piece. Make sure to go ahead and close that valve, and also remember to put that cap back on here to close this up. And the nice thing about it is that once you've got it all sealed up, there's an additional drain on the side here that you'll see, and you can take that into your local auto parts store and have them dispose of the oil, and you don't have to transfer it into any other separate container, which cuts down on the mess as well. So yeah, you'll just go ahead and disconnect the pieces here and clean out the inside. So I found this to be pretty useful. That filter at the bottom of the basin there is very nice. Definitely allows you to do your oil changes a lot cleaner and neater, and simply set in your pieces once you get done. You put your 3-inch and your 5-inch pieces in here, and then you set that catch basin over top of it and it snaps into place, and that's fully assembled. So pretty easy to put back together there when you're finished. Everything's self-contained in there and easy to store. Take again to the store and have that oil disposed of. So all in all, I rate this product highly. I found it to cut down on the mess and also to be easy to clean up and to transport. So I would recommend it. I will also leave a link to AutoZone to purchase this product in the description. If you do have any comments or questions, please leave them down below. Let me know what you think. Will this help you? Is it something you're interested in? If not, let me know that as well. Thank you for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Have a great day.